Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond.
Hey everybody, and thank you for checking out my video. So you guys, as you can see from the title, this video is a tutorial on how I do my knotless box braids. I've been getting a lot of requests to slow it down, so I did that for you guys right here. You can see the process. I basically start the hair off as a regular individual braid, and I braid that down just depending on the thickness of the root of the braid that I'm starting, either 2 to 3 times, sometime even 4, and then I go ahead and start to add my hair in. So right here you can see the placement of the hair. You just continue to add in your pieces until you get your desired thickness, and then you just go ahead and braid the braid all the way down to the ends. Keep watching, you guys, for the end results. And you guys, sorry in advance for all the different angles, and I think at one point my foot is in the video, you guys, but I recently possibly tore my ACL, so doing her hair hurted so bad. But this is my niece and I love her and she wanted it done, so I did it. So yeah, I just want to apologize in advance for all the weird angles, and like always, I will be leaving all products used in the description box, you guys. And if you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on that bell notification. So I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye bye. I want to show you guys how we're done adding it into the top, and you need to add it some more just to make it a little bit thicker for the end. So I just did it right there. So what you will do is you'll add the hair in, but you'll twist it like to the back and then put it under. I hope I'm making sense. And if I did that too fast, if you look to the top right hand corner of this video, it will be 3 dots. Tap on those 3 dots, go down to where it says playback speed, and you can control the speed of the video. So you can like make it to where it goes slower so that you can see everything, you guys, or you can make it go faster. Just want to let you guys know that. Back to the video.
Wow, wow, wow.